Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make the home-style Chinese salt-baked chicken. The chicken has a unique taste of the lesser galangal, which is a spice belongs to the ginger family and originated from China. You may find the lesser galangal powder from major Asian grocery stores. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to my channel for recipe of many other kinds of yummy food. Let's look at the ingredients now. The full recipe is in description underneath the video. I prefer to use free-range chicken, weight about 1.2 to 1.4 kilograms. Wash and wipe dry the chicken. Don't forget to wipe dry the tummy as well. Cut the feet out from the knuckles. You may save the chicken feet for cooking Chinese soup. Scrape the skin off from ginger using a spoon. Grate the ginger. Place the grated ginger into a small mesh tea bag and squeeze out ginger juice. Measure coarse salt, cooking wine, chicken powder, lesser galangal powder, and mix together. Place the chicken into a plastic bag. Pour the marinade onto the chicken. Rub it all over the chicken and don't forget the tummy inside as well. Rub marinades all over. Tie the bag. Give it a shake to make sure the marinade is evenly coated on the entire chicken. Marinate for 3 to 4 hours. Remove chicken from the plastic bag and discard the marinades. Place it on a rack. Stuff the ginger slices, green onions, and star anise into the tummy of the chicken. You may now steam the chicken for 20 to 25 minutes at high heat, depending on the weight of the chicken. Preheat oven to 440 Fahrenheit. After steaming, drain juice from chicken. Rub soy sauce and oil onto chicken, then convection bake chicken for 10 to 15 minutes at 440 Fahrenheit until the skin of chicken becomes golden brown. Alternatively, you may steam bake the chicken at 265 Fahrenheit. Insert the pork into the thickest part of the thigh and steam bake until the pork reaches 135 Fahrenheit. Steam oven is actually a versatile machine which can steam, convection bake, and steam bake as well. Steam baking retains the moisture inside the meat and prevents the meat from drying out. After steam baking, wipe dry the chicken a bit and discard the juice. Rub soy sauce on. Brush oil onto the chicken. Convection bake at 440 Fahrenheit until the thickest part of thigh reaches 180 Fahrenheit and the skin becomes golden brown. Let's prepare the dipping sauce now. Measure lesser galangal powder. Mix with salt. Heat up oil. Mix salt and galangal powder well, then pour the heated oil into it. Mix well. Remove the ginger and green onions from the tummy of chicken. Place the chicken onto a cutting board. Chop the chicken into pieces and line them on a plate. The juicy and tender chicken meat has the unique salty galangal flavor. It's so yummy. The Homestyle Chinese salt-baked chicken is now ready to serve. Enjoy!